Yeah, guys, that was a horrible experience. I'm so sorry if you felt that I got biased. Like, never, never, never. I'll never, never recommend face. Like, why to irritate your skin for no reason? Congratulations and thank you. And this is especially for those people who have visited the very first time on my YouTube channel. So you guys definitely deserve a big thank, not only because you have chosen my YouTube video, but also because you guys left all that exciting stuff which was there on your phone and you guys clicked on my YouTube video. So thank you so very much, guys. And now that you are here, so it's my responsibility to sort of entertain you or give you some value. So trust me, I won't be disappointing you because I have a lot of interesting and versatile stuff there in my YouTube channel, so you can watch those videos after watching this video. So yeah, thank you so much again. And for those who already watched my videos, what should I say to you guys? You guys have my heart, and I feel very fortunate to have those kind of people in my life who keep an eye on me, especially on my YouTube channel, watch every single video of mine and give me constructive feedback. So thank you so very much to all of you guys. I know this introduction is a little bit overwhelming today, but I felt like doing so. So yeah, with that being said, let's just quickly start our video. So this is going to be a girly talky video in which I'm going to share how to remove your facial hair. I know that there are different methods available in the market and you guys must be aware of those too, but in this video we're gonna touch base those methods and we're gonna see the cons and pros of every single method out there. And after that, I'm gonna remove my facial hair in front of you guys so that you guys can also see that how do I remove my facial hair. And I'm gonna also share that which method is best suitable for me and for the people who have sensitive skin like mine. So yeah, with that being said, let's just quickly start with our methods first. This is one of the most common methods of removing your facial hair, and that is threading. And threading is a very common and convenient method that we have been doing since ages, and I think 99% of the girls and even boys know about threading. And the best thing about threading is that it removes your hair from depth, and the second good thing is that because another person is doing your threading or upper lip, so that they can clearly see that बाल अच्छे से align हो रहे हैं कि नहीं, and which hair needs to be removed and which not. So these are the best things about threading. And the thing which I don't like about threading is that it is not that much easy. It is painful, and I use threading for my eyebrows only because there I can tolerate a pinch of pain, but hair I can't tolerate any pain, and I find it ridiculous when this area of my face turns red and itchiness happens there. So I don't like threading, but yeah, this is like a my thing. And if you wanna adopt this method and go ahead and remove your facial hair by using threading, if you can tolerate the pain, then go ahead, it's your choice. Now let's see our second method. Second method is face waxing, and I have seen a lot of people doing face waxing, like applying strips on their face and then removing it. And there was this day where I went into a salon and there I saw a girl who was doing face waxing, and oh my god, her face was red. She turned into a tomato that day, and still she was doing it. And I could clearly see the allergy on her face, that she should not be doing this, but she was doing it because most of the people think that after doing face waxing the hair will come late. But you guys also see the allergy, the harm, the damage the face waxing does to your face. You see yourself. Like, I'm not saying it as a hava mein, but there was this time where I also tried face waxing, and after that I never found the courage to do it again because that was a horrible experience where my face, like, I got extreme allergy. And actually that was the day after that I got allergic to every single thing. So I think sometimes it just trigger your skin, that your skin becomes so sensitive that you have to see like you have to think hundreds of times before buying any particular product. So I think for me that was a day where the barrier on my skin destroyed because of the face wax. And I think that there might be a chance that the wax which they used on my face was not of a good quality, maybe the reason. But after that, the allergy was so harmful and so depressing for me. At the same time, I could not step out of my home. I was looking horrible. My face turned into a tomato, and an inflammation happened on my face. And after that, I never found the courage to do it again. Never ever. So if you guys, if you don't have allergy to face waxing, then go ahead. But if you do, then please don't ever try it, because you see yourself कितना ज़्यादा harm कर रही है आपके स्किन को ये. If it is getting better in one day, then it's fine, but it's not getting better in 3 to 4 days. अगर आपको 3-4 दिन लग रहे हैं and still you are going ahead with face waxing, then I think you should think about it. And yeah, face waxing is a thing which I would never ever recommend to anyone, especially for those people who have sensitive skin. Why are you tolerating that pain? आपका फेस एकदम से रेड हो रहा है, पूरा टोमेटो बन गया है, and your skin सामने से telling you that please don't do it, I'm getting harmed, then why are you doing it? So yeah, this is like my opinion. I can be wrong, but yeah, face waxing is like never. I'll never recommend face waxing. But if we talk about its good thing, I think good thing यही है that late बाल आते हैं, maybe or maybe not, I don't know. And the bad things about face waxing is I've explained, like the rest is history. And if you're gonna go ahead with face waxing, then go ahead, nobody's stopping you from doing that. But please do a patch test before applying the wax on your face, because you don't know how it's gonna turn out on your face. And yeah, you see yourself. I think that I got biased a few seconds ago. Then I to myself mentally that okay, you don't have to be biased, you just tell the cons and cons. Yeah, you guys are smart enough, so you will decide for yourself which is better for you. So yeah, if you want to go ahead with face waxing, and then go ahead. If you don't have any allergy, or the allergy goes in one day or less than one day, but if it's not going in one day and it's taking more than 2 days, one day, then I think you should not be going with this method, because you see yourself, your skin is telling you that please don't do it. Why to irritate your skin for no reason? Why to irritate your skin only for the reason that you have to remove your facial hair? There are other methods also available by which you can remove your facial hair. So yeah, I'm gonna also share which method I use for my facial hair, but for that you need to stay tuned. And yeah, let's see our third method now. I got a little bit biased. Yeah guys, that was a horrible experience. I'm so sorry if you felt that I got biased in the second step when I was telling you about face waxing. But yeah, that was a very horrible experience that I can't unsee that. So yeah, so just pardon me for that. Now let's see third method. Now the third method is a little bit expensive, and that is doing the treatment. So if you can afford, then I think you should go ahead for this method, just do a treatment for your facial hair only. And yeah, you all are sorted. And yeah, this is not very affordable method and a very cheap method. This is a bit expensive, but yeah, if you can do that, then go ahead. Even I can't afford this method, so I have not done anything on my face. Like I don't think, like maybe in future I'll do that, but right now I have not tried any, because it is a little bit expensive. आपको सैलून जाना है, सिटिंग्स लेनी पड़ती हैं 2-3, and it is not इतना ज़्यादा सस्ता भी नहीं है comparatively with other methods. So yeah, now let's see our next method, which I also use for my facial hair removal process. Now there is this method which I have taken attention few times ago, and that is using face razors to remove your facial hair. Not वो वाले razor जो इतने बड़े बड़े होते हैं, but I'll show you the razor. This is that razor that you should use for your facial hair removal. This is a very small kind of razor for your face, and The good thing about using face razor is that it causes no pain. You can remove your facial hair easily. It is very easy method. You can do it by your own. You can do it at your home. You don't need to go to a salon for doing that. And also, if you follow proper precautions and if you do it properly, then there are no chances of getting cuts. And the thing which is not good about using face razor is that after using face razors you get hard hair, and this is, I don't think it's true, because I have been using face razors for many years, and I never felt that I am getting very hard hair on my face. I think if I was getting, then I think I was getting when I was initially using face razors. After using it number of times, I don't think I am getting the hard hair, as you guys can see also. Let me just give the camera closer to. So I don't find these hair. Sharp. So yeah, this is like my personal opinion, but it has been said about the face razors that they give hard hair after you use it. So yeah, these were the good and bad things about all the methods. And now I'm gonna do my facial hair removal process in front of you guys. So stay tuned. And इसको करने के बाद मैं आपको पूरा अपना opinions and सारी मेथड जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ एंड कौन सा बेस्ट है आपके लिए, कौन सा मेरे लिए बेस्ट है, इस सारी चीज़ों को लाइक अपने पर्सनल चीज़ें मैं अपने एंड ऑफ द वीडियो में बताऊंगी. सो या सबसे पहले हम फेशियल हेयर को रिमूव कर लेते हैं. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दैट फर्स्ट. मतलब ऐसे नहीं होगा इस वीडियो में कि मैं सिर्फ आपको बोल दूँ कि आप ऐसे करो ऐसे करो ऐसे करो. मैं प्रॉपरली आपको बताऊंगी कि कैसे इसको यूज़ करना है ताकि आपको कट ना लगे, एंड उसके बाद कैसा आपका फेस लगता है इसको यूज़ करने के बाद, हार्ड वाला आते हैं कि नहीं, वो तो चलो मैंने बता ही दिया. एंड प्राइसेस के बारे में भी गपशप तब मानेंगे, बट नाउ लेट्स जस्ट रिमूव फेशियल हेयर फ्रॉम यूजिंग फेशियल हेयर रेजर. So let's get started now.
So इस प्रोसेस के लिए you need only 3 things. First is रेज़र, सेकेंड इज़ कॉटन एंड थर्ड इज़ अ मॉइस्चराइज़र. सो सबसे पहले आप अपने फेस को वॉश कर लें. मैंने नहीं किया बिकॉज मैंने थोड़ी टाइम पहले ही किया था एंड मैंने सिर्फ मॉइस्चराइज़र ही लगाया था, इसलिए मैंने फिर से वॉश नहीं करा. एंड सेकेंड इज़ देयर वाज सम ऑडियो ग्लिच, सो इसलिए मुझे वॉइस ओवर करना पड़ रहा है. सो एनीवेज मैं यहाँ पे बता रही हूँ कि आपको कट लगाना है साइड ऑफ द चीक्स पे, सो दैट वो ना एक बराबर आपकी शेविंग हो पाए, बाल रिमूव हो पाए. अगर ऐसा होगा कि एक साइड ऑफ द चीक्स की बाल की जो एंडिंग है वो कहीं और पे ख़त्म हो रही है, सेकंड की कहीं और पे ख़त्म हो रही है, तो वो अजीब लगता है. सो बराबर आप कट लगा लें एंड देन स्टार्ट शेविंग. सो जो रेज़र है उसको आपको 30 या 45 डिग्री एंगल पे रखना है, नॉट 90 डिग्री. 90 डिग्री एंगल पे बिल्कुल भी मत रखना बिकॉज कट लगने के चांसेस हो जाते हैं. एंड जैसे आपके बाल रिमूव होते रहें तो आप कॉटन से उन हेयर को निकालते रहो. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट ड्राई स्किन पे यूज़ नहीं करना है रेज़र. आपको जैसे मैं भी थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के बाद मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा रही थी पिलग्रिम का, जो मैंने शो भी करा आपको, सो दैट जो स्किन है वो ड्राई ना हो, वो वेट रहे, जिससे कि ईज़िली वो ग्लाइड करता है रेज़र. एंड फिर रिमूव करने के बाद आप शीशे में देख लें कि कोई लाइन रह तो नहीं गई, हेयर लाइन. दैन उसको भी मैंने मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाया एंड रिमूव कर दिया. सो दिस इज़ लाइक अ शेविंग. सो अब अपर लिप्स में मैं कर रही हूँ. सो सेम प्रोसीजर करना है आपको. जो आपके एक हैंड में रेज़र होना चाहिए विच शुड बी इन 45 डिग्री डायरेक्शन, एंड दूसरा हैंड आपका स्किन पे होना चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू अपलिफ्ट योर स्किन. अभी तो जैसे मैं जिस तरह से मैं भी अपलिफ्ट कर रही हूँ, तो आपको ऐसे अपलिफ्ट करना है दूसरे हैंड से अपनी स्किन को. एंड जब सारा हो जाए तो इसको साफ़ कर लें एंड देन वॉश योर फेस एंड देन अप्लाई द सिंपल मॉइस्चराइज़र. सो या गाइस,
See, every single method is best on its own. But if we talk about, like if I talk about the best method for me, then I think I will prefer using razors for removing my facial hair. And for these hair I don't use रेजर, बिकॉज इससे क्या होता है ना कि अगर आपकी शेप अगर ऐसे उल्टी, अगर एक बार भी गलती से अगर आपका ऊपर नीचे कट गया आपसे, तो पूरी अलाइनमेंट ही खराब हो जाती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई टॉलरेट दैट पेन कि चलो कोई नहीं, आप मेरे हेयर को रिमूव कर दो इधर से. एंड या सिर्फ इसी रीज़न के लिए मैं यहाँ पे फेस रेज़र को यूज़ नहीं करती, क्योंकि इसका आपको प्रॉपर ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. गलती से भी थोड़ा हिल गए आप तो फिर वो अगर ख़राब हो जाए तो वाई टू टेक कर इसका ना पूरा फेस का स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा सा फिर लग जाता है. एवरीवन विल नोटिस एंड टेल यू कि आपका ये क्या हो रखा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट यूज़ इट. एंड बट फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस जहाँ पे लोग इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते हैं और उस पर इतना ज़्यादा विजिबल भी नहीं हो पाता, अगर आपका एक दो कट लाइक एक बाल इधर इधर है, बाल आपका इधर से भी कट गया एक बाल, तो कुछ इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ जाएगा. बट यहाँ पे अगर आपका बाल इधर है और वो कट गया, इधर ही कट लग गया, तो वो थोड़ा अजीब रहेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई प्रेफर threading on my eyebrows and prefer face lasers for my facial. I don't prefer face waxing or threading because इससे pain होता है and because I have a very sensitive skin as you guys already know. तो जिसकी वजह से मुझे reaction हो जाता है, allergy हो जाता है. Guys, if you can tolerate the pain, then go ahead with threading. But if you can't, then do face razors for removing your facial hair and threading for your eyebrows. Like this is what I do and I prefer doing. And if you can tolerate the पेन, देन आप अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से वैक्सिंग करा लो, थ्रेडिंग करा लो. बट अगर आप पेन टॉलरेट कर सकते हो, आपको पेन भी नहीं होती है, एलर्जी का भी कोई सीन नहीं है, देन आप थ्रेडिंग करवा लो. बिकॉज इससे क्या होता है कि डेप्थ से बाल निकलते हैं, लेट आते हैं बाल. बट अगर आप, it's totally up to you. This is like my opinion. And yeah, so yeah guys, with that being said, let's just quickly wrap up this video. And I'm sure you guys must like this video, and if you really did, then let me know in the comment section and do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet. अभी तक नहीं करा है सब्सक्राइब तो क्या कर रहे थे आप, प्लीज कर दो. And I'm sure you liked my video. Like nowadays I feel that I am making good content. Do I? Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, meet you super soon in my next video. मैंने फेस रेजर की एक और वीडियो, शॉर्ट वीडियो भी डाली थी, but that video didn't reach to a good number of people. I'm sure this video will. So yeah, जल्दी से comment कर दो, like कर दो, and subscribe कर दो so that it will reach. So yeah, with that being said, let's just quickly wrap up this video, and it's time for me to say you thank you and bye. So bye guys. Bye. See you super soon in my next video. चमचम लगा दे हैं आज. या स्पार्क ऐड हुई थोड़ी सी. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम ब्रांड हंडियान. आई एम नॉट स्पॉन्सरिंग दिस ब्रांड, बट ऐसे पड़ी थी पहले इतने टाइम से, तो सोचा व्हाई नॉट टू यूज इट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर वीडियो.